Hey guys, so I'm gonna start a new series on my channel. This is gonna be a weekly series, I think. This year, like, one of my goals is to use, like, I reckon I have like a year's worth of products here, combined with like my beauty room, my candles, perfumes, and like body care and skincare and stuff that I need to try out that's new, that I haven't even opened. And I've been doing this thing on TikTok where like I'll try something new like every day, and I thought I'm gonna incorporate that on my channel a little bit. And so this is gonna be like a new thing, a new weekly thing called like speed reviews with Sojo or something like that. And basically it's gonna be like, think of like speed dating but like with products. So I'm gonna like give you a like real brief rundown of things that I've used during the week, try it out for the first time in the week, and tell you like what I think of them without doing like a full dedicated video. Does that make sense? This week we tried out 6 new things. I really thought we tried out more, but apparently not. That's fine. So First things first, I tried out some new things from Colourpop. Now, if you do want to see a full like video, then I do have one up on my channel of the new Colourpop collection. But first things first, we tried out the Colourpop Lost in Love eyeshadow palette. Absolutely beautiful. I loved this palette so much. It was such a like nice like kind of galentine's feeling eyeshadow palette. The shadows performed really well. I loved the like glittery shades in here. I don't know, this palette just makes me feel warm and fuzzy and cute, and I just really love it. I think it's a really pretty palette. We also tried out a Jelly Matte shadow in the shade All Love. This is absolutely stunning. Such a beautiful shade. When I put it on, I felt like, I don't know, it didn't have the full effect. Like, this is so stunning, but I feel like because of the eyeshadow look that I wore it with, like, I didn't get to see how beautiful it actually looked like on the eye, if that makes sense. But either way, I love Jelly Matte shadows. I think this colour is absolutely stunning. So beautiful. And there was 2 other Jelly Matte shadows in this collection, which I'm so excited to try out. So yeah, I'll probably use them in looks coming up soon. This one surprised me so much. This is the new Lip and Cheek Balms from Colourpop. This one's in the shade Adore You. Absolutely stunning packaging and a beautiful shade. I loved this. I thought this was so stunning. So when I was filming the video, I was like, okay, I'm gonna, because Colourpop sent over 3 shades, and I was like, okay, I'll give myself 1 to keep. And then after I tried this, I ended up taking the other 2 out of my giveaway drawer and keeping them for myself because I loved this formula so much. So I'm really excited to try those other shades. I don't know, this just like, when I first put it on, I was like, fuck. But like, I don't know, it's just stunning. Like, it just melted into the skin and looked so pretty. And like, I don't know, there was just something about it. I just really like it, and I'm really excited to try it out again. We also tried out the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in One Kiss, this one here. It's a real pretty shade. It's just like a, oh, it smells real nice too. Why did I not realise that before? Oh, it smells like lip smackers or something back in the day. It's just like this really pretty, like kind of like pinky, but like neutral pink with like beautiful little like silver shimmers through it. Real pretty. I don't love glossy lips, but it is a nice shade, and yeah, like it's not the worst lip gloss ever. You know, it's like not super sticky, but yeah. Alright. Next thing I tried out, I'm really upset about. This is the Bath & Body Works body cream, and it's in the scent Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. Okay, first things first, I love these creams from Bath & Body Works. Like, the actual formula of them are so nice. I love them. They sink into the skin so quickly. They make me feel super hydrated. They smell really nice. Like, I really like them. And usually, I'm a massive fan of the pumpkin range from like Bath & Body Works. I think that candle up there is like pumpkin blueberry waffles or something like that, but I love the pumpkin range from Bath & Body Works. And I'm pretty sure I've had like marshmallow pumpkin latte before, but this stinks. Like, this stinks. And I'm so sad because I thought this was going to be a really nice, warm, yummy scent, but it stinks to the point where I'm like, do I just like use up, or do I just declutter it? Like, I don't know what to do. Thank God it's a mini. I don't know what it smells like. It just stinks. And like, when I wear it, I feel embarrassed to go to bed, because like normally I'll put like my moisturizer and stuff on like after a shower and go to bed. But like, I'm embarrassed because I feel like Cade probably is like, why do you stink? I don't know. It just smells like pumpkin, but like Real like pumpkin that's been rotting in your garden for like 2 weeks. I don't know, it's not nice, which is a shame because I love the formula and I thought I was going to love this, but I don't know. Anyway, the last thing that we tried out this week was this candle from Dusk. It was from their like island something collection or whatever. And you know what really annoys me about Dusk candles sometimes? Like, after you take them out of the packaging, you don't know what they're called anymore. But this is the strawberry daiquiri candle. And this smells real good. Real nice. And I just think it's really pretty. It looks really nice in the lounge room. But yeah, so I lit this last week, or this week, whatever. And I've really been liking it. Makes the house smell real good. The throw on it is really nice. So yeah, that was everything that we tried out this past week. And yeah, so I feel like I'm going to upload these videos like, you know, every Sunday or every Monday or something like that. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think. I mean, I'm interested to see what you guys think of this style of video. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.